In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the immersive view in Google Maps. So if you were to go to Google Maps, and it's important to know that this is not available for every single route out there. It's fairly new, but it will roll out with more routes to go. So to actually activate this, it's more of like a popular destinations and popular spots. So I already had one kind of here. So I'm going to pick the plaza up in New York. And I'm going to hit directions, and then what I'm going to do is just type in the Brooklyn Bridge here. So what that's going to do is you'll see it at the bottom left corner of your map here with the immersive view icon. So that's going to build and build and build, and what that's going to do is actually put you on a path here in a 3D landscape, somewhat of a live view of your route. So what you could do is hit play, and what that's going to do is it's just going to take you through the entire route of your destination. So you'll see here as it's going through, as you're driving or if you were to walk, it's actually highlighting some of the traffic routes just in case you were trying to avoid high traffic areas, because it will actually keep it blue or it'll go red if it's in busy traffic times and things of that nature, as you see here changing yellow. And it's an interesting live view of what's going on your route, and it's just an interesting way to look your route. If you want to have a really interesting 3D view of it, I could just go to the end here. That way you can see the end of the destination. And here you go, the Plaza Hotel. And you can just scroll out and zoom around. It's up to you what you want to do with it, but that is how you would go about using the immersive view in Google Maps. It's a really neat feature to do, and it's going to roll out some more routes as it moves forward. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and useful, and just something fun to look at on your route, and we'll see you in the next video.